my first toy review. Whoa.
Check it out.
What do we have today, Mallory?
We have the UFO toy.
The UFO
It's-
toy.
well,
Papa
I'm
Mike
pretty-
sent it from Lazada.
Well, I'm gonna be honest, but this is my first toy review.
Oh yeah, it's open it up. Can you open it up? Okay, it has a charger. Comes with a charger. Is it light or heavy?
It's light, not really that heavy.
It's not that heavy. Let me see. It has the instructions here inside. It says you have to press and hold the power button. You see the power button?
Yes.
Where's the power button?
This. It's here.
Okay. Press and hold the power button. Oh, it lights up. Okay. Then what?
Let me see. In the picture it says they do it like this.
Whoa! It's flying! Where's it going?
Ah!
Oh, it's going to the electric. Oh, it's going up. Ah! So high. Can we make it go down now? We're gonna try one more time? Okay.
This. It's so high.
Oh, awesome.
I hope it doesn't hit my sister.
I wonder how long it will fly. Oh, it fell down.
That's it for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.